Have you seen fashion like this pop up on your Pinterest and TikTok feed before and ever wondered where these fashionable girls are getting all of their clothes from? Well, you've clicked on the right video because I'm gonna put you on the most gay-kept shopping platform ever, TAOBAO. Now, some of you might be wondering, what in the hell is TAOBAO? Basically, think of TAOBAO as the eBay of China. On TAOBAO, you have millions of individual sellers on there selling literally everything under the sun. There are tons of different shops on TAOBAO, and you can find literally anything from secondhand items to luxury goods to handmade products. TAOBAO is an online shopping platform owned by Alibaba. You've probably heard of AliExpress before, which is a Chinese-based online retailer that's become extremely popular alongside other popular ones like Shein and Temu. While TAOBAO and AliExpress are very similar, they've also got their differences as they serve different markets. AliExpress caters to international consumers as it has an English interface and offers global shipping. You can easily browse on AliExpress as you can change your language, region, and currency to what's best suited for you. TAOBAO, on the other hand, focuses solely on the domestic Chinese market by having a Chinese interface and shipping only within China. I've noticed prices are much cheaper on TAOBAO compared to AliExpress, and that's because AliExpress prices factor in international shipping and custom fees. Some items that are available on TAOBAO won't be available on AliExpress, which is why I prefer shopping from TAOBAO if I can, because you can find a lot more things on there. And if you're a fashion girly like me, you will definitely appreciate the selection of styles that you can find on there because wow, there's so much. You can find Y2K fashion, Gyaru fashion, kawaii fashion, Lolita fashion, vintage inspired fashion, Chinese street fashion, and many other types of styles. And let me tell you, it's quite addictive shopping on TAOBAO because you can find tons of pieces for different cute styles that are kind of difficult to find in the West. At the end of the video, I'm going to share some of my favorite stores on TAOBAO, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let me show you how to actually buy from TAOBAO. Okay, first and most importantly, if you can't read Chinese, you're going to have to use a translator while browsing. Most browsers should already have a translator built in. Something to note though, sometimes the translations won't be 100% accurate, but for the most part, I can understand what they're trying to explain. Now, when it comes to translating photos, you're gonna have to do something a little different. Because it's very common for listings on TAOBAO to use photos in the description to specify color, size, and other details. And unfortunately, your built-in browser's translator is probably not gonna work when it comes to text and photos. In the past, I used the Google Translate app on my phone to translate listings on my computer, but I've noticed it's kind of clunky and doesn't always pick up words when it comes to translating photos. So I prefer to use Gemini or ChatGPT now when it comes to translating photos, as it's a lot more accurate than Google Translate. Okay, and now on to step 2. If you want to browse on TAOBAO, you need to create an account on there. It's kind of annoying to be honest because they won't allow you to look at all on there, like even if you just want to browse unless you've got an account. So yeah, this is a pretty important step. And this is probably the most difficult step in this entire video because a lot of international people have problems when it comes to signing up for TAOBAO. So when you go to register, you're going to see that they're going to ask you for a phone number. And now, when you have an international phone number, I don't know why, sometimes they don't send you the code at all. Sometimes it's sent straight away. Like, it's very strange. I don't know, I've had like problems with it in the past, and I've also had like friends who've had issues with it in the past, so it might take a little bit before you actually have an account on TAOBAO. Now, in the case that your own phone number doesn't work, you can always try to use Google Voice. I had to use Google Voice in the past to register on TAOBAO because my own phone number would not work for whatever reason. And when I had used it, they gave me a free phone number, so it was not like I had to pay for anything, which was really nice. I don't know if they're still free, but hopefully they are in case you are having some troubles with registering with your own phone number. Like, let me tell you, Google Voice was an absolute lifesaver. Like, girl, I just wanted my cute clothes from TAOBAO, okay? And if you're still having issues with registering with any type of phone number, you can also try this other method. For this other method, you can only access it if you have the TAOBAO app installed on your phone. And basically, it will give you the option to register with a social media account, which, oh my god, is such a blessing because a few years ago, they did not have this option. So like, maybe you'll want to do this option instead because it's really easy. You can sign up with like Google, Facebook, I think other ones too. I mean, it's been a while since I've done it, but yeah, there's like a lot of different options that you can choose from. I've signed up to TAOBAO both ways because I actually lost my original TAOBAO account because I couldn't remember the password at all. And let me tell you, signing up with your social media account is definitely a lot easier because you're not going to have troubles signing up. So if your phone number isn't working, then definitely go with this method. Now for the juicy part. Here's how to find things on Taobao. One of the easiest ways you can find things on Taobao is by using the reverse image search tool. I recommend reverse searching images that are on Taobao reseller sites like 42 Lolita, Devil Inspired, or even on AliExpress. You can also use a translator to translate what you want to search for in Chinese. Like for an example, I'm into styles like Gyaru and kawaii, so I usually type in gal in English to find Gyaru stuff. I'll type Y2K to find 2000 style fashion, or I use search terms in Chinese like these. And let me show you some of my favorite stores to shop from too. If you're into hime Gyaru or agejo Gyaru, this first store that I'm going to show you is an absolute treasure trove. I've already purchased a ton of items from this store, and actually I show them in my most recent videos, so if you want to watch that, you can go check it out. But the quality of their items is amazing, and the stuff that they're selling is so freaking cute. Like, their accessories are really reasonably priced, so I absolutely recommend you buy from them. And for shop number 2, we have 7 Princess. If you love hime Gyaru, hime kaji, or just kawaii fashion in general, you're absolutely going to love this store. Like, the whole vibe of this shop is very cutesy and very princessy, and I would love to buy more items from this shop because the quality of their items was really nice, and I mean, come on, the designs are insane. And if you're a girl like me who loves to have rhinestones all over her body, then you're definitely gonna love this next shop. This shop sells so many different types of stockings and tights. You can find lacy ones, you can find rhinestone ones with bows, butterflies, literally anything you can think of. Next up, we have the store Bobon 21. If you're into like coquette, himekaji, and just girly fashion in general, you're going to love this store. They have so many pretty pieces in this store. Like, honestly, I would love to buy more pieces from them because they are so cute. This store was truly made for the girly girls because you can find so many cute pieces here. I'm hoping that the next time I can do a Taobao haul, I'm able to buy something from them because I already have a skirt of theirs and I love it so much. And I have another hime/agejo Gyaru accessory shop on my list. You can find tons of pretty accessories in the store, from necklaces to rings to head bows, literally anything. I have seen so many girlies from Xiaohongshu wear their accessories, so you know it slays. And this last shop caters more to like the jirai girlies and the himekaji girlies. You can find tons of cute jackets, blouses, matching sets, and dresses on this shop. They have a really big selection of clothes, so you're bound to find something cute on there. And do you want some more Taobao shop recommendations? I've created a long ass PDF packed with all of my favorite shops and store links just for you. And if you'd like to grab it, just sign up for my newsletter over at my brand new website, wickedbunniez.com. Signing up is totally free, and you'll instantly get my ultimate Taobao shop list as a welcome gift. Plus, you'll stay in the loop on all of my future channel updates and score exclusive freebies down the line. I'll be leaving the link below in the description if you want to join the cutest mailing list ever. And yeah, let's go onwards with the tutorial. Okay, so on some listings, you might notice that they are suspiciously low for an entire dress. I'm talking about a highly detailed Lolita dress for only $2. And the reason it could be priced low like that is because it could be a deposit, pre-sale, or spot. If you see the keywords deposit or pre-sale, it means the first payment you have to make on a pre-order product. So you put down money to show the seller how much interest there is on the item so they know exactly how many garments they need to create. And spot is pretty simple and just means that the product is in stock and is ready to ship. Now, remember how I said earlier that Taobao focuses solely on the domestic Chinese market and ships only within China? Well, this means you can't order directly on Taobao if you're located outside of China. However, there's a way around that, and that's by using a proxy service. A proxy service acts as a middleman by collecting your money for your purchase, ordering the product you want from Taobao, having it delivered to their warehouse, and then finally, they will ship it to you internationally. Some of the most popular proxy services include SpreeNow, SuperBuy, cnfans, PandaBuy, CSSBuy, 42agent, and many others. I personally only used 3 different agents, and that was SuperBuy, cnfans, and Biner. I definitely recommend trying SuperBuy and cnfans as they have great customer service and decently priced fees. My recent Taobao haul was a collab with cnfans, so if you want to watch that video, then I'll link it below in the description. And here's how you can purchase your Taobao items using a proxy service. I'm going to use cnfans for this as they are a proxy service that I've used most recently. Okay, so first, copy and paste your Taobao link into the search bar. You can also paste in a Taobao store if you'd like to browse directly on cnfans. You can also search for items via images, but I prefer the link method so you're 100% sure that you'll find the exact item that you want. Once you've got your item, you can add it to cart and check out. They offer lots of different payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Skrill, etc. And once you've purchased your item, cnfans will go ahead and buy the item for you. And then you've got to wait for it to arrive at the warehouse. Usually this doesn't take too long, and you maybe wait up to a week max for it to get to their warehouse. However, if you order pre-order products, then it could take up to a few months for it to just arrive at the warehouse, as it depends on each individual seller that you buy from, so just keep that in mind. Once your package has arrived at the warehouse, you'll receive some photos of your item. cnfans takes photos of all of your items to make sure that the right item has arrived and also to check the quality of the item. And if everything looks good, you can go ahead and prepare the item for shipment to your house. If you've ordered multiple things, you'll want to consolidate all your items into one package as it's way cheaper this way. However, you should be careful not to buy really big items or really heavy items, as the bigger and heavier the package, the more expensive it will be. I've personally found that the volume of the package really affects the pricing of the shipping. So for this, I don't really recommend buying big items like umbrellas, furniture, or anything similar, as you will be paying hundreds of dollars to ship these items over. Be wary of how much each individual item costs, as you can get taxed more depending on what the item is and its cost. I definitely recommend checking your country's custom laws to double check what items are taxed higher and to know how much you can buy in total without getting taxed to death. When consolidating, you have the option to remove extra packaging, shoe boxes, and tags. I recommend removing these, as you will make your package a lot smaller plus lighter, meaning you will save tons of money by doing this. You can also add extra protective packaging like stretch membrane, card corner guards, etc. So if you've bought fragile items, maybe this would be a good option to add. You can also add package insurance in case you're afraid of your package getting lost. Personally, I've never had an issue with a TAOBAO package not arriving, but if you need the extra security, then it's an option. And once your package is consolidated, you will get a message telling you the weight and size of the package. For my last order, I used DHL and everything went smoothly. Depending on your country, they will have different shipping providers, so I would choose whichever one is the most trustworthy and cost efficient. Okay, now let's get into the actual shipping cost. For shipping, personally, I've paid anywhere between $80 to $350, which I know sounds very expensive. I usually do buy a lot of stuff though, so I think in part that's why it's been so expensive. I imagine that if you want to get only like 4 to 5 items that are lightweight, it'll be under $50 for the shipping, which I know is still expensive for shipping, but shipping from China can get pretty expensive if you live outside of it, or at least outside of Asia. And lastly, before you check out, make sure to browse the coupons too. cnfans has a lot of good coupons to help you save some extra money when shipping. And since I've worked with cnfans before, I have my own special coupon code to offer you. You can use my code wickedbunniez at checkout for 15% off your shipping. I mean, think about it. If you save on shipping, that's extra money to put aside for your next TAOBAO haul. And yeah, so that is how you buy on TAOBAO. I know it seems kind of intimidating if you've never bought from there before, but trust me, it's so worth trying because the clothes and other items that you can find on there are truly unique and look absolutely amazing. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions regarding TAOBAO or cnfans, leave me a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Love you girlies so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!